What's up, my people? Check this out. Guys, wouldn't you say Luka Doncic is the most sought after card in all this hobby? I mean, think about it. December 2018, the card was going for $10. August 2019, Luka wins Rookie of the Year. His card goes up to $70 for a PSA 10. Wow. Today, it's selling for a couple $1,000. I mean, it is bananas. Even the second year cards are going for crazy amount of money. So since we're on the subject of Luka, I thought I would show you guys a personal box that we opened up the other night, me and Jay. It was a box of Prizm Choice, and as you know, it's a pretty nice box of cards. This box of cards roughly goes for about $950 a box. Yes, a box. Now each box has an autograph and 2 silvers, which I love. And there's gonna be 3 yellow, blue, green prisms per box. So it's a pretty solid box. You just gotta get the right names. The rarity and the inserts are always gonna be very nice and exclusive, but you just gotta land the big names. It's really funny because the box we open is so bad until the last card. Guys, we did. Bam! Let's go, boy! Yeah, we got a box of Prizm Choice 1920. Big Z on the front. We just got X'd. We're cracking this baby open. One whole pack. 8 cards. Empty box.
Are you kidding me with this shit?
It's a nice looking card. Just Big Willie.
Oh boy.
I don't know, man. Maybe the Tiger's gonna make up for it.
I'm hoping something does.
Let's see what we got here. This is a Terrence Ferguson.
And it's a shame because these are all very well centered. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Terrible.
Seth Curry.
Absolutely terrible.
Marcus Smart and Derek White. Dang.
Now much as, unless that Tiger is something serious, let's see if it's a rookie. How about that?
Come on, let's go.
Let's see if it's a rookie. Oh my god. To the Mavericks.
To the Mavericks. Please,
don't
please, please,
It's
please,
Luka.
please. What?
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah, baby!
Motherfucker!
Boom!
Oh!
Boom!
Oh! Oh! That's why they threw that trash in there.
Ah, look how off-centered it is.
Yeah, that's
all centered, but
damn. What a beautiful card. Damn. I think even the Tiger King would love that shit.
literally.
Luka Tiger. Oh! We flipped that over. Let's get a good look at this thing.
On the back, it don't look very well centered.
That's good. What about this top left corner? What is that? Is that something on the case?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're good. We're all good on the corners, homie.
Bang!
That car is in perfect condition.
We went from 0 to fucking Tiger. Can't beat that.
Yes.
Catch you later.